Storms Tech channel here, and today I'm doing a video about the TCL TAB 10 5G for Metro by T-Mobile. So the TCL TAB 10 is a new budget 5G tablet for Metro. It's available now in prime gray, 32GB of storage. That's $199.99. The full retail price is $299.99, so you're 33% off on that right now, which is very good. So if you guys are looking to get a budget 5G tablet, Metro has you covered with the TCL TAB 10 here. You guys will need a tablet plan. Also, I think y'all have to pair this with their phone line as well. So to keep that in mind, because this is a connected device, so it will have to have a number attached to it. So you guys have to have a phone line plus a tablet line for this to work and whatnot. Very nice looking tablet. Also, the TCL TAB 10 is also available at T-Mobile as well on the postpaid side. If you guys want to go that route, I think this tablet is also available at Verizon as well. I think so. Now it's available at a couple of different places. So pretty cool there. Like I said, a budget 5G tablet. Very nice tablet for what it is. So you guys have the front there, colorful wallpaper there. Nice looking clock from TCL there. The left side right there, I can't tell where the buttons are, where they at, because it's kind of hard to tell because it's a dark color. So your power button and volume keys are probably on the right side of the tablet. I'm not really sure, or probably at the top. I'm not really sure where they're at, so excuse me on that. That's the left side of it though. Back of the TCL TAB 10, there's your camera, TCL logo in your speaker. There is no camera flash on this one. You do get a front facing camera somewhere on the front there. I guess it's like, I don't even know where the hell the front facing camera is. That may be it right there, I'm not really sure. So yeah. So the features on the TCL TAB 10 includes a 10.1 inch Full HD display enhanced by next vision technology, which is a exclusive feature from TCL, which helps with eye strain and stuff. So it has like different modes on that, so it can reduce eye strain when you're looking at the tablet. So it's very good for like if you're using it at nighttime to read or watch videos or whatever. You guys also have stereo speakers for a truly dynamic audio and cinematic experience. MediaTek processor, octa-core chipset, 5G chipset at that for super fast streaming, gaming, and sharing. Up to 32GB of internal memory, expandable storage, up to 512GB of very micro SD, but you will have to buy that separately, of course. A robust 8,000 mAh battery, powers through hours of video and beyond. Use Face Unlock for fast and secure access, so you do get Face Unlock on here, which is pretty cool. You do get Android 12 on here, which is nice. Which Android 13 is coming out very soon, and I don't know if this tablet will get Android 13. I don't know if it will. Maybe it will, maybe it won't. I don't know how good TCL's track record is of updating their devices anyway, so I don't know how good TCL is with updating their devices. So it comes with Android 12. Don't know if it got Android 13, so don't be surprised if we don't get Android 13. Don't be surprised if it don't. 8 megapixel rear camera, 5 megapixel front facing camera with HD video recording. Slim design for great on the go use. Alright. Says the TCL TAB 10 5G is a thin, lightweight, and capable tablet. The brilliant 10.1 inch Full HD display powered by Next Vision with real-time image and video enhancement, plus built-in display modes designed for visual comfort. Lets you stream and play comfortably for hours. Paired with a MediaTek 5G chipset and 32GB of internal memory, plus the ability to expand storage up to 512GB. Very micro SD card allows easy downloading of movies and the latest apps and entertainment. Dual speakers bring stunningly rich stereo sound to create an ultimate audio experience, no matter where your tablet takes you or you take your tablet. The robust 8,000 mAh battery will power through hours of video and streaming without any worries. Protect your data by using facial recognition to swiftly unlock the tablet for convenience and secure access. Capture beautiful photos and videos with the 8-megapixel rear camera and the 5-megapixel front camera to video chat with friends and family. So pretty good there. Has facial recognition, which is very nice to have on a budget tablet like this. So that's pretty cool. Specs on this TCL TAB 10 5G tablet. Like I said, budget tablet, and you do get what you pay for her. So the specs are not terrible by any means. Like I said, a budget tablet, you do get you do get what you pay for here. You guys get an 8,000 mAh battery, 3.5mm headphone jack, which is nice. USB Type-C, connectivity options 8211 ABGN and AC. Bluetooth, I'm gonna say Bluetooth 5. I know that it is at least Bluetooth 5.0 on here. I know that at least Bluetooth 5.0 has a MediaTek processor. It's octa-core, 4 GB of RAM, Android 12, external memory up to 512 GB, via micro SD. You do get 4G LTE plus 5G on here, of course. So the main selling point of the tablet is that it has 5G. Support email platforms, wireless emergency alerts, mobile hotspot frequency. Weight of the TCL TAB 10, 17.28 ounces. So a bit hefty there because there's a big ass 8,000 mAh battery on the inside of, so it's gonna be a bit hefty there. Your dimensions are, the depth is 0.33 inches, the height 9.51 inches, the width 6.24 inches there. What comes in that box is a TCL TAB 10 5G tablet, of course, 18-watt charger, USB-C cable, quick start guide, product safety information, and your SIM card tool. Just not much to it. It does come with the charger, which is very good because a lot of devices are not coming with the charger, especially iPads and phones and stuff like that. So yeah. So there you guys have it. So if you guys are looking to get a budget 5G tablet, Metro has you covered with that here with the TCL TAB 10 5G. It's available now for $200. You're getting pretty decent specs here for $200. Main selling point that it does have 5G on it, which is very nice. It does have Android 12, which is very nice as well. And yeah, this tablet's also available at T-Mobile as well on the postpaid side. And I think it's also available at Verizon as well on the postpaid side as well. So you can get this tablet from a couple of different carriers depending on what fits you best. Very nice looking tablet. So if you guys want a tablet on Metro, the TCL TAB 5G is worth taking a look at here. You guys also will need a tablet plan for this to work, and I think y'all guys also have to pair it with the phone line as well, because this is a connected device. So y'all guys will have to have a phone line with this as well. You guys will have to have a phone line plus a tablet plan for this to work on Metro's T-Mobile 5G network, so do keep that in mind. So yeah, so if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. Will that smile a lot? Please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I will catch you guys on the next one. Peace out.